Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the fuel filter on Audi Q3 2 liters TDI. The fuel filter on this car is located right there, and it's pretty straightforward to replace. First, we start by removing the bolts that hold the fuel filter cap. After we removed all the bolts, we need to lift the fuel filter. Next, we have to remove the fuel filter and put the new filter on. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. After putting on the new filter, we'll just lubricate the O-rings on top, and we can put the fuel filter cap and the bolts that hold the fuel filter cap. After we're done replacing the fuel filter, we have to go into the car and we'll turn the ignition on and off about 10 times so that we can let the fuel supply pump to prime the fuel system, and then we'll start the car. Make sure you turn the ignition on and off at least 6, 7, 8 times so that the fuel pump has enough time to prime. And now we can start the car. The car is started. I will just give it a little bit of gas, and that's it. Thank you for watching.